Hey guys and girls, welcome back to another Card of Curiosities. Today we've got Champions Path and another one of these giant cards, another V, and we've got 4 packs of cards to open. So without further ado, let's crack on with opening it up. So here we go, here's the little large V cards. I do like these V cards the way the way they glitter and glow is fantastic. I love the way they reflect on the light. Obviously this is just a bigger version. I don't really do anything with these. But yeah, giant Pokemon card there. So, got our 4 Champions Path card packs. So, being we've got 2 of this design, we'll start with this one. And this one doesn't want to open up and play ball, so we'll make it. Vulpix. Ooh, that's some unusual art on that one. Full heal. That's nice. So sort of a modern take on the original design. Full heal. Professor's research. That's quite nice. So a lot of trainer cards in that one. So second time lucky. Let's go for the same design again. Ooh, Ekans. I could have done something really cheeky then and took the mickey out of someone. Another Vulpix. Oh, love the new Machoke. Oh wow, some liking some of these draws. And that is for my buddy Rob. It's a bit strange getting 2 Vulpix in that design. Alright. Let's see what we got in our next one. Chop. Let's just get rid of this straight away. Chop. Pokeball. I do love these where they're made out of the models. Another Kakuna. Nice. And another double. So we're actually getting a few doubles in these. But oh well. Cards are cards, eh? And for the grand finale, let's see what we're pulling these bad boys. And another Kakuna. Doing very well with them, aren't we? Another Pokeball. Another Machop. That's quite cute. Got another one of those. Oh wow, and a V. Brilliant. Always good to see them. Oh, I love the new Beedrill design. And I believe I've already got one of these as well. So, not many new cards for me. Quite a few swaps, but you know what? That's sometimes the way it goes. So that there, guys, was the Champions Path box. So until next time, guys, stay safe, keep gaming.